need to know that we can trust each other, so join hands and take the oath. We will not fail our loyalty to the club.
We will not fail our loyalty to the club.
If we do, it's punishable by death.
What was that last part?
Punishable by death. Now say it.
I thought we were forming a club to deal with the money.
Oh, yeah, we are.
The death thing, isn't that taking a little too far?
Too far? How?
Well, I mean, what if someone wants to say, quit the club?
Yeah.
Then he dies. Now, look, correct me if I'm wrong, but you think I'm being unreasonable? Huh? You can tell me. I mean, nothing will happen.
Maybe a little.
What?
Now see here, Rocko, you ruffian.
Now, Rocko, easy, boy, easy. We're friends, right?
So, anyone else want to quit the club?
No, we're in.
Good. I knew you'd see it my way.